Okay, once you have clicked on the link to go to the ifaketextmessages.com, you're going to type with the name of whatever friend you are going to be texting your message with. And notice here you have the colored bubbles. Okay, this is you. You can choose either iPhone blue or Android green. But here, right, you can say hello or hi, I need help with math. Then you just click on the add text messages. All right, then we want to switch this to blue or green. This is your response to them. And you can say, okay, what's the problem? Then they say, I need to solve for X. And then you can give, I'm just going to give a very simple equation example of x plus 3 equals 6. Okay, then again, right, and then remember you have to switch it over in order to get the conversation going back and forth. Remember, you're the green or the blue, they're the gray, asking you for help. Okay, and you're going to keep going through adding message by message, following all the requirements of the assignment. Then when you are done, you are going to click on this blue Create Image button. Okay, and then you can see how it's created the image over here. Don't worry if it goes too long, your image will just be a little bit longer. And then you'll click here on Download Image. Then it's going to save it to your Google Drive. Just make sure that you put your last name as part of the file. And click, I'm going to just keep it in my downloads. All right, so it's going to save in your downloads. Then you'll be able to go to the bottom in your Google Drive and submit that file back in Canvas.